All right, guys. So this is the power station I'm using right here, the soldering iron. It's got USB output and a decent little unit. It's got the air dryer and then a multimeter, but I didn't need all that stuff out here. So this is what we got. Go ahead and turn it on. I keep mine set to 777 degrees because, you know, that's like a good luck number. Plus it melts solder real well, especially the lead-free, or the lead-free solder that everybody wants you to use now. So this is the area that we're going for to repair. So we can't just fix this little area because there's a bunch of circuitry in here. So this is the cut line. That's where we're going to go. First thing we need to do is let's see, like if I move it just to the right spot, I get it to go. But you just saw it. There we go. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, unscrew our connector. It's no sense in screwing this all up. Okay, so there we go. There's our connector out. Super simple after that. Take ourselves a pair of scissors, some good scissors. Cut that. Just go straight to the line right here. Now I always cut right at the very bottom when I splice in. Okay, I'm perfectly okay with that, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my razor knife and I'm going to, actually I'm not even going to use the razor knife, I'm going to use the heat, and I'm just going to melt all this plastic down to the metal. First off, I want to take all this stuff off of here, off the old stuff, and I'm just going to pretty much take it right to here. Let's see, I can feel it right there. I'm just going to cut it. Just going to cut it right there. Yeah, here's the wiring for the old. All right, now we got our wiring right here. And what I'll do is I'll just cut it right to about there. We don't need any, a whole bunch of extra here. Try to keep this in frame here. And we just need a little bit. We just need to barely, you know, just enough to get a hold of it. Because we're soldering it, so that's like, you know, welding for wires. So now, see that? Maybe a little bit more of the black I'll pull out. Bang. See, maybe take out the camera in the process. Okay. And we'll get ourselves some Chip Quick. What happened? That's not good. What did I do? Cut too much of it off? All right, take two. There we go. And this will be data in the middle. All right, and then I'll have to get closer to look at it, but I think it's ground and positive, but I'll make sure. You see the signal goes that way, so I'll maybe pull just a little bit more of this sheathing off. Less is more, and I know that I'm fumbling my way through this, but I'm outside. I'm not going to run inside to go grab the razor knife. So this is the hand I've been dealt. And so I got it good enough. That's good. We're good here. We're good right there. And I'll just go around and just do it nice and methodically, like. All right. Back again. Set here, we'll put some Chip Quik on it. I know I'm probably like weird for doing this, but I feel like when I do this, I'm able to almost rub the product, the Chip Quik, into the wiring, and I've never had a problem. So we're using lead-free solder. I know I got some leaded solder on the way because this stuff can be kind of a bear to use. So I wasn't really set up to do this outside, so we'll see how this works out. Of course, I've got the wire all the way under the camera. It's probably pretty good for a pre-10, right? Yeah. Got a little bit left over for this guy. I really don't need this, but alright, so what we're gonna do here. It don't have to be pretty, it just has to work. Move that. Okay, so we got those pre-done. Now if you look close, you can see right here that it says 12 volts data, and then on the outside is ground. So we're gonna put our 12 volts on the outside, our data in the middle, and our ground on the right hand side. Let's start with the ground on the right. Oh, let's actually start with the heat shrink. Have you ever done that before where you didn't put the heat shrink on? Yeah. Yeah, it's a real shame when you forget to put especially if you get it soldered real good the first time. You gotta take it apart. So we said 12 volts is on the left, data in the middle, ground on the right. These do not want to go in. Okay, here we go. All right, so let's orientate them. This is the way it wants to sit. This is the way that we're going to put it in. Get a little bit of solder on there so it flows a little bit better. First day, guys. All right, that looks like it's good. Let's kind of give it a plug-in pre-test and see if it works. I think we got it. Not bad, right? I'll get this soldered up real quick, or heat shrunk in, and we're gonna call this one done. Quick repair on the scene. So if you like this, video, give me a little tap on the like. If there's something that I did wrong, tell me in the comments. Please tell me in the comments. Subscribe for more. I'm gonna start posting more and more videos. I've got knowledge on X-Lights and controller building and soldering and drone flying. And I'm an auto mechanic. Just remember JMac, jmac.com, and that's it for now. See y'all soon. All right, I'm gonna do this while the music is going. That way we don't have any issues, and I know if there's an issue when the issue happens. I'm just trying to pull this off real. Okay. Orange is my favorite color, so you'll see orange a lot in my videos. And one of the main reasons why I'm a fan of Quindor's Quinn LED controllers, because his favorite color must be orange, because he puts orange on as his default color on a lot of his stuff. So, all right, that's that. Now we'll tie it down with a couple of zip ties in some strategic spots so it doesn't flex. I think that's important where you put this. I don't want to disturb. Don't want to disturb the natural. Gotta maybe admire. Oh, I don't have to pick up my niece. That's great. All right, guys. That is it. Snip, snip. Solder out the way. Heading off. All right, last look. When your whole display works the way it's supposed to, it's such a good feeling. This flagpole's been giving me some issues for a little bit, but the flagpole in its current condition kind of has to have the strips on there because we get more LED density wise. There's only 100 nodes that it's programmed to, but there's 300 individual LEDs. So I got it wrapped around so you can see this 365. So, anyway, like I said before, like and subscribe, follow for more. If you don't like what I did, drop me a comment. I'm human, I can take it. Just let me know what you think, because I'm making these videos for you. I already know what I'm doing. So I just kind of want to get my knowledge out to you guys so you guys can maybe do what I do and maybe compete with me next year when it comes to this, because when it comes to these LEDs and stuff like that, it's just the ultimate flex as far as I'm concerned. So anyway, have a blessed night, y'all. Stay blessed. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon. jmackett.com.